Yo, what's up Hemifam family? Welcome back to another awesome, exciting video for you guys. In today's video, we are making our way through the I wrapped my Scat Pack charger at home series, and we're gonna be doing the hood and the side skirts. Now, the side skirts, again, my good friends over at G-Spot Auto Works came down to help me with the bumpers, front, rear, and the side skirts. Show me a few tips and tricks, where to lay the knife list, things like that. A lot of good stuff, and I really can't thank them enough. They've helped me time and time again. We did the airbags with them. They drove over 2.5 hours down to where we are at to come help me wrap and complete the car, and that is exactly what we did, guys. So let's go ahead and get off into today's video. But before we do, be sure you are subscribed to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you do not miss all the awesome content we have in store lined up for you guys. And again, a huge shout out and thank you to G-Spot Auto Works. I will put their information in the video description, so be sure to show them some love, give them a follow, because they are really awesome people, and without them I probably would still be trying to wrap the bumpers and burning through vinyl, because they're not the easiest parts to do on the Dodge Charger, but we got it done, guys. So let's get off into today's video, which is gonna be the hood and the pillars, the quarter panels, I guess you can say. And I think we have one more video left, which is going to be the hood and the bumpers, and then we will do the full reveal, guys. So let's get off into today's video. Alright, Hemifam family, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, if it helped you, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Show my buddies over at G-Spot AutoWorks some love. Edgar and Charnay, a huge shout out to them for coming down and helping us with the quarter panels, the front and rear bumpers, which you're gonna see in the next video. And I mean, the car is looking really good. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the color, what you guys think about it. I know you guys are really anxious to see the final product if you haven't done so already on Instagram, and it is coming, guys. Trust me, I know this has kind of been a little bit of a long series, but it is gonna be worth it. In the end, when you see the final product and the car, this color is just, oh my gosh, totally unreal, guys. Super excited on the color. So be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. That way you do not miss all the future videos. And like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you can stay up to date with all the awesome content we post for you on a daily basis, guys. So with all that being said, I really can't thank everybody out there watching, viewing, all the subscribers enough. G-Spot AutoWorks, and stay tuned for the next video, guys. Peace.